The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Built in 1937, it stretches across the opening from the San Francisco Bay to the Pacific Ocean, and more than 110,000 vehicles pass over it each day. An elevated highway known as Doyle Drive also opened in 1937 and is one of the most critical roads linking the bridge to San Francisco. The road was shut down on the last weekend of April for a major demolition project that will ultimately replace the roadway with an underground tunnel. Longtime Caterpillar customer Firma Corporation was hired to do the job and arrived with 40 excavators, 38 of which were Cat, a number of other Cat machines, and approximately 150 workers with one goal in mind: to bring the 75-year-old structure to the ground. And with only 24 hours to get the job done before another company could pave a temporary roadway, Firma didn't have much room for error.
Well, we've got it planned pretty good. We have it in 15-minute increments of where we should be. So we spent quite a bit of time planning this and to develop these milestones to make sure that we're on time. There's over 5,000 feet of freeway that have to come down here, and everything's got to go pretty well as planned.
That planning paid off, as Firma was able to finish the job on schedule. And every step of the way, local dealer Peterson Cat provided critical support to ensure Firma's machines were ready to go and also prevent downtime.
Our mechanics, welders, and management staff worked hundreds of hours before, during, and after supporting Firma with the Doyle Drive project.
That support included having extra parts available on site to ensure against any machine problems, and also assisting with connecting all of the hammers and other work tools to the excavators and disconnecting them after the project so Firma could quickly get ready for their next job. It's service like this that has kept Firma a loyal Caterpillar customer since the company's inception nearly a half-century ago.
The Caterpillar Peterson team has supported us throughout our history, and the availability, parts availability, the uptime is critical, and we don't have time on this job to experiment with anything else. We know their reputation. We've been dealing with them for nearly 50 years, and they've never failed us yet.
But even though Caterpillar provided top quality machines and support, it's the customer that gets the job done. And that point was not lost on Peterson Cat.
Firma and their employees and management team orchestrated this project to the T, and they did it. It was so impressive to see them do this, and I am so happy for them, and I am so impressed. And it's not the first time that Firma's impressed me through the years. I've been their rep for 8 years. They've impressed me several times, but this project they took on this time, phenomenal. And I'd like to say, great job, guys.
And for Rob Verga, whose 4 uncles co-founded Firma in 1963, this particular job hits close to home.
I feel part of the community, and I was born in San Francisco, and this is my roots, and to be part of building a better roadway seems like an accomplishment.